everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again this week. This week I have an exciting announcement. I'm sure you've seen the teasers. The new winter collection from Light Elegance is out. So it is called Champagne and Caviar. It's 6 new colors, 6 new glitters as per usual. I have these swatched out for you and I will do some comparisons as always. These are available for pre-order now, so you can put in your orders for them right now, and they are available for purchase November 1st. So if you pre-order now, we can get those to you for November 1st. Otherwise, you can buy them on November 1st. That's next Friday. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below, and I hope you enjoy the new colors.